mathematics, simple mathematics. Let us have a look at this equation. We want to solve for the value of x in this equation. We have 4 times 3 raised to power x plus 1 minus 3 raised to power x plus 2 minus 3 raised to power x minus 1 equals to 72. Now, we need to solve for the value of x for this equation. Just think on how you can solve for the value of x in an equation of this caliber. So the first step that we will take in solving for the value of x in this equation is just we shall ensure that this power is to base 3, and we shall also break this power to base 3 and this power to base 3. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let us proceed by breaking this power to base 3. So we shall have 4 times 3 raised to power x times 3 raised to power positive 1. Then we have this minus 3 raised to power this x. Then multiply with 3 raised to power this positive 2. Then minus 3 raised to power this x. Then times 3 raised to power negative 1 equals to 72. So that is the first step that we will take. Secondly, is just to factor out 3 raised to power x here, here, and also here. So factoring out 3 raised to power x, we shall have 3 raised to power x into, at this place, we shall remain with 4, multiply with this 3 raised to power 1. Then we have minus 3 raised to power 2. Then we have minus 3 raised to power negative 1. Then close the bracket equals to 72. Now, having a look at what is inside the bracket, it is easier to solve for it because they are like terms. So we have 4 times 3 raised to power 1. 3 raised to power 1 is just 12. So we have 3 raised to power x into 12 minus 3 raised to power 2, or 3 squared is just 9. Then we have minus 3 raised to power negative 1 is just 1 over 3. Then close the bracket equals to 72. So the next step that we will take is just, we have 12 minus 9 minus a third. 12 minus 9 is just 3. So 3 minus a third, we have here 3 raised to power x into 3, because 12 minus 9 is 3. So we have minus this a third, close the bracket, equals to 72. Ladies and gentlemen, 3 minus 1 over 3 is just the same as, outside the bracket we have 3 raised to power x into 3 minus 1 over 3 is just the same as 9 over 3 minus 1 over 3. I have not changed anything. The reason why I have wrote 9 over 3, in this, I want to ensure that we have the same base, that is 3. Not the same base, but the same number in the denominator. Remember, what is in the denominator here is 1. But here, the denominator here is 3. The number we have in the denominator is 3. Therefore, I want to ensure that this and this have the same denominator, that is 3. So what I will do, I will have 3 times 3, which is 9. So I shall have 9 over 3. 9 over 3 is just 3. Because if you simplify it, you get 3. So I have not changed anything. So we equate it with 72. Now, 9 over 3 minus 1 over 3 is just 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. Therefore, we have 3 raised to power x into 8 over 3 equals to 72. Now, let us proceed here. Let us proceed here. Let us proceed here. We have 3 raised to power x, 3 raised to power x into 8 over 3 equals to 72. Now, arriving at that, what we will do is just we multiply on both sides with 8, not with 3 over 8. That is the reciprocal of 8 over 3. The reciprocal of 8 over 3 is just 3 over 8. So we multiply on our left hand side with 3 over 8 and also in our right hand with 3 over 8. So if we multiply with 3 over 8 on our left hand side, we shall just, this one simplifies, or it goes and we shall remain with 3 raised to power x equals to 72. We have multiply with the reciprocal of 8 over 3, and that is 3 over 8. So by 8, 1 by 8, 9. So 9 times 3 is 27. So we have 3 raised to power x equals to 27. Therefore, 3 raised to power x is just the same as 3 raised to power 3. And therefore, the value of x here is 3. So that is how you can solve for the value of x in an equation of this caliber. So how I wish you can also proceed even to prove whether the value of x is 3 by substituting here with 3, here with 3, and here with 3. You solve what you have on your left hand side so that you can compare with what you have on your right hand side, and they should be equal. So, ladies and gentlemen, how I wish that you could subscribe to my YouTube channel, you could like, share, and comment. Thank you so much.